Hello guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. So I just wanted to make a announcement that I'm planning to give some free readings on Sunday 7th March 11:30 a.m. that is tomorrow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, Aries. This is a straight up reading what you need to know about your current situation. So it includes problems you are facing, the lies you believe in, the true facts, solution, and advice with the current energy surrounding you. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. So let's get started. Before that, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. So let's get started. I've already shuffled the cards. So what I'm getting for you, Aries, is Angel of Love, man holding a coin, woman holding a heart, adjacent possibilities. So what I'm getting here is that you are, if you are a woman, you are offering this man your heart and you are looking out for possibilities to work this relation out. Yeah, you want this relation to work out, but this person, the other person, the man, the energies can be vice versa. Please guys, take whatever resonates in your situation. So person with money is always focused on money and they don't see much of a value of other person offering heart. So how can we fix this? What are the possibilities that are, these are the energies going around you right now. So yeah, so what is the actual problem? So actual problem is Chariot, isolation, and Eight of Pentacles. See, I told you, one person is more focused on money and the other person is left out in isolation. So they are not able to, yeah. So what I'm hearing is that this person is emotional distance from you. So they are not able to see how you feel, or they just keep you in cold, or they don't talk to you, or you are isolated just because they are very focused and they are moving forward with their career or whatever money making things they are doing. So they are more focused on that part. So that is your problem. So also what is going on now is Five of Swords, Rebel, and Three of Pentacles. You feel that this person plays very dirty mind games with you. They want to win at all costs. That is what you feel. But you want to collaborate and move forward. The Three of Pentacles thinks about, yeah, talks about you should understand each other and move forward. That is what you want. And you feel like you are chained. See, can you see this person is chained? And this is a rebel. So one person in your situation wants to break these chains of dirty mind games and you want to genuinely collaborate and move forward. So this is it. This is your current situation. Okay, what else? So what are the lies? Lies is Four of Wands. I think this is your twin flame 1111 card. Completion and Five of Pentacles. So the lie is that you think that this person completes you and you want to stay happy with them, but they leave you in cold. They are more focused on their money and they don't give more attention to you. Yeah, this also means that whenever you need them they are not there. and you always feel that they complete you. So what is the lie between this? The lie is that no, no other person can complete you. You yourself complete yourself. You look forward to them to complete you. That is your lie. So what's the truth? Okay, Page of Swords, Nine of Wands, and letting go. So you are spying on them, you feel very hurt, and you want to let go all the hurt in the past. Like this person is so much hurt because of all the mind games or trickery they had been doing. You want to genuinely talk about it, and you want to let go the things which hurt both of you. That is what is going on. What else is there? Yeah, you want to let go, and you want to make a fresh start so that it doesn't hurt anymore. So you are spying on them, and you are trying to let go of the hurt things. So what is the solution? You want this angel of love to strike both of you. That is what you are holding your heart. Again, woman holding her heart. I think you are a woman who is watching this mostly, but take as it resident because there are no gender in tarot any as such. So what is the solution? The world, the possibility, and the wheel of fortune. Okay, the solution is that you need to you need to end the conflict, and so that this wheel of fortune can turn in your favor, and this sunrise, these good possibilities, these happy possibilities after a dark night could come out. Your person could have RATNO in their name or initials. Okay, so I can see only one sign, that is Cancer here. But you might be dealing with a Cancer, or you might have Cancer in your chart. Don't feel so isolated and so lonely. You feel that the relationship is being very cold towards you. Let's see if you have any other advice cards from universe. Let's see. Give me 3 advice cards for Aries. These messages can also mean that you are mentally conflicted. Should you rebel this collection or collaborate? You are stuck up actually. You want to offer this King of Cups. You have lot of love for this person, but they disappoint you, and most of the time they are very angry, and you don't understand because they also are very passionate about you. So advice is that you can offer your cup, and if they cut you out, you need to stand in your power. King of Rods is King of Wands. That you are a very you can be a very confident person. You can have all your emotions together. Don't get stuck with this sadness. That is what cards are telling me. You have lot of love to offer. So don't get caught up with this depressing mode, and move forward, because time is about to change. Wheel of Fortune is the time is going to change in your favor. This is what it means. Okay, so if this reading has helped you understand your current situation to some extent, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check the description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.